Need to Can you hear me now? Am I audible now?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
So let's go back to where we started from, where we stopped rather. So I was on the verge of. So who can tell me what we're about to do, please?
Uploading Musa's CV to the job scan.
So what are we trying to achieve? What are we trying to achieve? So we are trying to achieve if this resume qualifies for the international job we are looking for. Okay. So let's scan. So AI is scanning your resume against that job. And AI just told you that if you spend 10 years applying for a job with this resume, you will never get it. Okay. So not only that, it also gives you tip. You did not find any address in your resume. Recruiters use address to validate your location. Adding this job's company name and web address can help provide your ATS specific tips. Okay, we didn't add the job company's name. Job title match. The job title provided or found in the job description was not found in your resume. Recommend having the exact job title, okay? Are you noting this? So what this means is that your resume must have an address, right?
Yes.
Number two,
yes.
The job title on your resume must be the exact same job title in the job advert. It must not be different. So the job advert we applied for was what?
I don't know.
Okay, we applied for job registered nurse associate. Okay, maybe we should do something. Maybe we should go and look for adult nursing. Let's look for adult nursing. What do you have for your CV? Is it adult nursing?
Yes, registered nurse, because that's what we call
It's
it.
not registered. There's nothing like registered nurse in the UK.
Okay.
So that's the number one place. You cannot apply for a post of registered nurse in UK because there is no post in the entire UK called registered nurse.
No, it's
I don't know if
staff
it's making
nurse.
sense.
Yes, I understand.
You said what?
Yeah, I said I understand what you are saying. I think on my resume it's staff nurse that is.
So you are not ready to get a job in the UK. Adult nursing vacancies. Let's go and get adult nursing. So it's going to be tough for you to use that resume. That's just what we just got. So you need to start revamping your resume from the scratch. That's just the feedback you just got. Because the resume you have does not actually do what? Does not qualify for an international job. So the first place you need to, the first thing you need to confirm, you can use AI to confirm, is my resume ready for the international job market? This one is a master class, a full 2-hour master class on its own. Getting your resume ready for the international so we can't do that here. But we'll be able to establish something. Can you use AI to land your dream job? Yes. How can you do it? The first place to start is you can use AI to search for the jobs, like looking for a fish inside a cup of water, compared for to looking for a fish inside the ocean. So other people are looking for fishes inside the oceans. AI can help you look for the exact employer. By the time you spend 1 week using AI to search for jobs, you will have a list of 10 jobs you should be focusing on, not just applying 1,000 jobs and saying, I've applied for 1,000 jobs, I've not gotten anyone. Why should you apply for a job that they reject your resume or your cover letter or your application in the first place? It's useless. And that is what everybody is doing. Everybody is applying for the job that is advertised on YouTube. That's everybody is sharing on Telegram, everybody is sharing on WhatsApp. You will never get that job. The only job you can get is the job that not everybody's applying for. That's number one. So you need to go and look for that job in that specific hospital that probably they are not advertising. So we saw one where they gave you the recruitment email address, the international recruitment. So one strategy is to use AI to search for the job. Write that down, number one. Second strategy is to look for the email address. Use AI to look for the email address of the recruiting team of that organization you are targeting. So AI can actually dig out the recruiting email address of that organization you are targeting. So you write them directly. If you should apply for the job, they will tell you. If you should not apply for the job, they will tell you. If you are able to write emails to 10 recruiting organizations through their international recruitment team, their HR, it is the one that tells you, oh, we can send in your application that you are most likely to get a job. So it means that if you send 10 recruitment letters, cover letters, your CV attached, a detailed letter customized for that organization. So let's assume we've seen an organization now. Let's go back to Damilola. We got a recruitment email address the other time, and I said that's the job you should be applying for. I don't know if he copied it anyway. Let's quickly go to that job for Damilola now. Okay, the one they say only UK based. That's not the one. There was one we saw. Okay, this is. If you are interested in, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
If you are interested in this vacancy, send your CV to HR. This email address is what you should be sending your CV, your cover letter, and a well-tailored letter to them, because they are the one recruiting. So you are targeting the one that are recruiting. You are targeting the one that are offering visa sponsorship. You are targeting, these are the ones that can give you job. So you're not targeting what everybody is targeting. You are targeting the one that are specifically recruiting, looking for you. They have indicated that they are giving visa sponsorship. You are looking for visa sponsorship. They are indicated they are hiring from outside UK. You are outside UK. They have indicated that they can give you certificates and such. So those ones are your number one target, and AI can help you get them. Now, we've been able to demonstrate job scan for Damilola for Musa. Let's go to Damilola. So this is the first place. We want to confirm if your resume is qualified. So it's showing it's not qualified, right? I've mentioned ways you can actually look for these vacancies. I've also mentioned messaging the person who works in that hospital or who works in the HR department, searching for them on LinkedIn and sending them a direct message. It's not the normal direct message that you send. No. AI will help you tailor a message that when the person sees the message, forget it. The person will just say, oh, thank you for, the person will respond. So that's all. That's all. Those are the things you can use AI to do. But this is just the first one we are able to demonstrate. So let's go back now. So what can we do? You can go and update your CV, Musa. Update the CV, and then come back to do what? To come and upload the CV and rescan with AI, right? And then once you do that, and AI says, you are good to go, then you can move to the next stage. You can also click here, guide me. Guide me. So job scan optimizes your resume for any job, highlighting the key experience and skills. The report displays the findings and recommendations found by our. So you can see that job scan is one of the. I usually recommend job scan. If you want to use job scan, I have a link that you can use. I will send to the platform at the end of the program. You can actually use this. That's if we after we've updated your CV, your resume, and it's perfect, we will now do it. So assuming you want to update your CV for this job, which is the next thing we're going to do. But before we do that, let's do for Damilola now. Let's do for Damilola. Damilola is the next person we are doing for. Damilola. Let's go back.
We can't see your screen again, sir.
Damilola is who I'm looking for. Okay, so we're doing a new scan for Damilola.
We can't see your screen, sir.
Should be seeing my screen. Why are you not seeing my screen? Not sure why you're not seeing my screen. When was the last time you saw my screen, please? Do you see the? You not see the result of Musa scan?
I saw it.
Okay. So let me stop my screen and start again. Okay, so let's go to Damilola's job vacancy. Copy. Put it here. Bring the resume. Put it here, and then scan. So
are you scanning this? Are you scanning this with ChatGPT again?
Job scan now. We're on job scan.
Job scan, okay.
So what this does is that it searches for the keywords in the job advert, searches for the keywords in the job advert, and then matches it with the keywords in your resume. So we have now gotten 33%. Let's now go back to the next phase now. So what we're now going to do is improve the resume and come back to job scan. So use AI to improve the resume. Let's use AI to improve the resume. That's what we're doing next. Okay. So what we're going to do, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the CV for this exact job. So let's start with Damilola. Let's start with Damilola now. So we have more.
Can you
please mute yourself? I thought we're not using this page. We're using this page. So we're looking for Damilola's phone. Damilola is a community nurse, right? Is Damilola
Yes,
the community
sir.
nurse? Okay, so below is a job advert I want to apply for. I am attaching my CV. This is not what we're supposed to do because of time. We're supposed to actually, manually update the CV, then bring it to here. But let's just do the quick fix here. Attaching my CV, my resume. Can you please help rewrite my resume to match the exact keywords and job description for the job below, for the advert below. Can you please, right? So let's attach the resume now. That's done the last resume, right? Lizzie, right? So let's see what ChatGPT can do to tailor the resume to this exact job. So it's saying, thanks for sharing your CV. ChatGPT has written your resume in less than how many minutes? In less than
seconds.
So ChatGPT is now using the exact keywords in the job advert. You can see that it's highlighting your UK eligibility visa status.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's assuming because the job advert station must be in UK, it says if you're not in UK, don't bother to apply. So it's changing to UK. So you can see how AI can actually help you eliminate the jobs you should not apply for, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's done it. So what we're now going to do is export a polished PDF document for direct application.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Like you can even put this. Oh.
Let me put my number.
Hmm.
447462862667. Then currently residing in the UK. So that matches the exact thing they are looking for. Okay. Can you please update the information here? So we're now asking you to export. Oh, so please export this as a polished PDF document for direct application.
He's doing it already, sir.
Is that what?
He's doing it already.
Oh, he's doing it already. Oh, he's already doing it. He's formatting it. Okay. You can download using this link. download. Ready to go. Let's now go back to job scan now. Normally, we're supposed to go through, edit, adjust, but we don't have the time. So we're going back to job scan and using the exact same upload and rescan, download. Let's see what happens now. $38. So what's missing? What's missing? We did not find an address in your resume. Hey, you see, we did not have that address. The job title provided or found that the job was not found in your resume.
An education match.
You said what?
Education match.
Education match.
Okay.
Your education does not match the preferred high school diploma education. Okay. So what do we do? What do we do? So what we need to do is copy the entire report, save this report, and then go back to ChatGPT and ask it to perform some magic. So let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to perform some magic here, right?
Yes, sir.
Some job scan. I would like you to analyze and then fix all the errors for me, so you can update the CV, the resume, and send me a new one. Is this something you are capable of doing? So let's know if ChatGPT has the ability to do that before we send it. Absolutely.
Wow. Amazing.
It can. So let's go there.
Amazing.
So you are in good hands. Go ahead and share the results. So it's asking me to share the result. This is the result. It's analyzing. Thanks for sharing the job scan report. Here's a breakdown of the issues it flagged, and now I'll fix them. It's going to fix them. Driver's license, blah, 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 blah. So it's analyzing everything for us. Searchability issues, it's going to fix it. It's going to fix it. Going to fix it. All right?
Yes, sir.
Going to fix it. Going to fix it. Aha. Going to fix it.
Wow.
Now I'll implement all fixes and generate your updated resume with improved keyword matching, optimized ATS compliance, highlighted measurable achievements, clear job title, and visa eligibility. Give me a moment to build your optimized resume. Okay, so now that it has done that, let's go back to the, we didn't generate the report for Musa, right? Did we? This Musa's report.
No, we didn't.
We didn't.
This is
Okay.
for Musa.
No, this is the last one using the resume from AI and from ChatGPT for her.
So let's go and get Musa's let's go and set Musa's job description. Okay. Downloaded updated resume. Let's just stick with this. Downloaded, updated. So let's now go to job scan again and see if we can do something good this time around. Unfortunately, I think I've closed it. Okay. I've closed it. I've closed it.
Wow.
We can go back. Yeah. So upload and rescan. Let's see if this will improve. Scan. We're just doing this for demo sake. In real life, we will do it differently, but we're just doing fast. Now it's 62%.
Wow.
We have not even worked on it, as in we have not used our career toolkit to work on it at all. Now, Damila, do you have a career toolkit?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's go there. Did you send it?
I'll send it now.
This big. So let's
This
use the
baby
career
too
toolkit now.
hot. She doesn't resemble Ogunbukola.
I'm sending it now.
Okay, so let's just do this. Let's do this. I'm waiting.
Thanks, sir. On your WhatsApp.
I can't see it here. I'm still seeing care assistant, Lizzie.
I've sent it, sir.
Okay, so let's save this. Damlola Career Toolkit. Let's now upload it. Choose files. It's not showing here. Choose files. Why is it not showing? Okay, it's showing now. Open. Oh, sorry. Cancel. Deselect. Select. What's happening? It's not working. Why? Let me cancel. So attach email, attach, choose file, Damilala open. Okay, it's open now. So let me go and get it. So I'm getting the draft. Can't find it. Damlola Career Toolkit, okay, I've seen it. Save as document, Save. So let me share my screen back. Now let's go see what ChatGPT can do for us. Okay. Oh my. This is amazing. You are a genius. One more thing, please. I have a career toolkit that I want to use to update to improve the updated CV and optimizes for this role. Is this something you can help work on? Let's say, what did we say? 1000%.
1000%.
1000%. This is ready to do it for us. So let's go there. This is the updated one, right? Let's put that here and add the career toolkit. Career toolkit. Let's put it here. I don't know what's in your career toolkit anyway, but I hope it's something worthwhile.
Yes, sir.
Oh my. I love this work, man. Enhancement based on toolkit done. Okay. Now I'll revise your CV with this powerful enhancement. So AI is saying what you sent is very, very good. And
Thank you, AI.
Final optimized version. Okay, let's update the final optimized version. Analyzing. If you are an engineer, a mechanic, a tailor, an accountant, a doctor, a nurse, anyone can use this same pattern for any job or application, even if it's not international job. If it's Nigeria, if it's Ghana, if it's Uganda, it applies to any job. So it's not just one particular profession. All you need to do is use 50% of AI and 50% of your brain. So we have an enhanced CV that we want to rescan now. Downloaded enhanced CV, and then we're going to job scan straight away to go and do a rescan from 62%. Let's see any difference at all. Enhanced CV, and then scan. I hope it does.
Yes, sir.
I hope it does. 62. Okay, it's not making any difference because I'm not the one working on it. I was not the one who worked on it anyway. So if I was the one who worked on your resume and your toolkit, I'm sure I can get you 90%. Sincerely speaking, I'll get you 90%. If I personally give my touch on your resume, your cover letter, your career toolkit, I'll get you a 90% match for the job you want to apply for. So It means even before you apply for the job, it's as good as you have gotten it. Because if your resume matches a job advert by 90%, it means there is a 99.9% chance that they will invite you, they will shortlist your resume or your application and invite you for an interview. And that's the goal. Interview is the first stage. Forget about whether you're going to get the job or not. Once you land interview, your first interview, second interview, third interview, it means that you are doing everything right. You just need to now get a mentor that will now help you to fix in the gap. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is now going to ask ChatGPT for something. Let's ask ChatGPT to do something for us. You have been amazing so far. Now that I am ready with an enhanced CV, can you please help me generate the perfect cover letter for this role, for this advert? Okay, so it's giving a perfect cover letter. If you note, the cover letter is mentioning the name of the organization. So there's nothing like dear sir, dear madam, dear hiring manager of HR department, Cali Home Care. That is how a cover letter should sound. Anything dear sir, dear madam, nullified. Anything that does not have the address of the specified employer you're writing to is qualified. So I'm writing to express my keen interest in home care assistance as advertised. Currently based in the UK, I'm ready to switch my current visa. I'm fully aligned with the state requirements, including having a full UK driver license, an insured vehicle, and present. With over 3 years on hand experience, blah, 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 blah. I'm satisfied, DLS expert, blah, 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 blah. The value resonates deeply with me. I'm particularly drawn to your commitment to excellence. Is taking that from their website. I'm sure about that. So it's giving us a cover letter, right? It is this cover letter that you will now say for the... Okay. I have been able to locate the hiring manager on LinkedIn. I want to introduce myself and share my interest about this role and my intention to apply. And if there is anything I need to know before applying, I want to write a LinkedIn message that will be irresistible and compelling to read. Can you please use your ingenuity to help me do this? Everything ChatGPT is giving us, we will need to edit it. We don't send it just like that. We need to take it, edit it, and then be sure that every sentence, every word, there is no lie there. because ChatGPT will help you boost it. But you have to now go back and ensure that there's nothing in that application cover letter that you say you have that you don't have. That's the mistake many people, they just apply it straight. Human brain 50%, AI brain 50%. No lazy work. Okay, so I've spotted the hiring manager. First name, Chantel. I hope your week is going fine. My name is Damilola Adeleko. I'm currently based in the UK with a strong background in home care and community care. I recently came across the home care assistant vacancy at your company with over 3 years of experience supporting elderly, blah, blah, blah. I owe the full blah, blah, blah. Before submitting my application, I wanted to respectfully connect with you here and ask, is there anything you advise I include or be aware of to strengthen my application further? I'll be truly grateful for any insight you could share. Thank you for your time and for all the meaningful work you do at Cali Home Care. I look forward to hearing from you. What do you think? What do you guys think?
Beautiful, sir. Is it irresistible?
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so now that we've gotten this app, you can customize everything we have done today for your own experience. In less than 5 minutes, you can have a CV and cover letter that speaks directly to the system you are plugging it into. Okay. So, now it's time to move to the most powerful networking tool in the world, which is LinkedIn. So we have used LinkedIn to write a headline and to write a letter. What we now do is now use LinkedIn to write wow. I am short of words. So the next thing is now use LinkedIn to write and use ChatGPT to write your LinkedIn headline and about you session that will position you for this job. So I'm assuming most of the jobs you are looking for align perfectly with this job. So anything you are going to write on your LinkedIn about session, your headline will be appealing to the jobs in this category. So see what ChatGPT said. He said, I got your back all the way to that. Congratulations, you are hired message. Let's go with this. Okay. So ChatGPT say, if you need a response message, if the hiring manager replies, if you need a follow-up message in a few days or anything else, it's always waiting for you. ChatGPT Pro, is it Pro or Plus they call it? Is the only thing that can give you this. ChatGPT without subscription will not give you all this. It will give you trash. So if you're not on subscription, there are 2 options you have. Go get the money to do a paid subscription or use Japademy's subscription while you pay a token for it. So if you're interested in using Japademy's ChatGPT subscription, so normally ChatGPT subscription should be about how much every month? How much? Who knows? Nobody's on paid subscription yet. You need to get paid subscription. So if you don't have it, am I still audible? I think I'm off.
We can hear you, sir.
Oh, okay. So if you want a paid subscription, you can use Japademy's paid subscription. You just pay token. So you just pay 25% of what you should be paying ChatGPT. You pay to Japademy. Japademy will give you access to a paid subscription, and then Japademy will support you in your journey. So that is by the way. If you want that option, please type I want the subscription offer in the WhatsApp comment section, and then we will compile a list of those who want that offer.
Can we know the amount so that all will know?
I said 25% of what ChatGPT charges
I
you.
mean,
So you can go
we
and
don't
check
know the origin. We don't
Go
know the
and check
original amount.
ChatGPT. Go and check ChatGPT and know what the original amount. Ogumbukola, I don't expect you to be asking these kind of questions. All you need to do is type into ChatGPT, ChatGPT, what is your monthly subscription for Pro? What? Are you kidding me? Don't ask me those questions again, please. Any question you can ask Google or ChatGPT, don't ask me. Okay, that's by the way. So let's move on now. What we are doing is write a LinkedIn headline, an about session for. Can you please write me a LinkedIn headline or about everything ChatGPT is giving us? We're going to edit. You are not going to paste it just like that. Always remember. Can you please write me a LinkedIn headline or about session? An about session for this, for jobs, for all jobs that will match all jobs in this category. Okay, so it's writing down Lola headline. Let's create a powerful LinkedIn headline compelling about session that position you for any job, including this. So let's do it. So this is Lola. If this is not on your LinkedIn headline, you are joking. You are not ready for search for a job. Home care assistant, support worker, compassionate caregiver, BLS caregiver certified, UK-based, so you are not UK-based, Nigerian-based, visa switch, visa sponsorship eligible, personalized elderly care, driver license, vehicle. Anything is based on what we gave that it gave us. Okay. Then it's now going back to your empathic home care. This is another one. Personal. This is a professional keyword optimized. This is a personal purpose living, empathic home care assistant, supporting blah blah blah, certified. So you have two options. Okay, about session. So it's giving you as a UK-based, as a Nigerian-based care assistant, African-based, as an internationally educated home care assistant with over 3 years of hands-on experience. I bring not just skills but heart into every home I enter. I'm driven by a personal and certified blah 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 blah. I'm actively seeking opportunities. This is what should be on your about session. So then I am dazed. Can you help me create a guide for the images and pictures that should be on my LinkedIn? So you take this to a graphic designer, or you can use Canva for yourself. Profile. Okay. So you copy this guideline and use to curate.
Yes, sir.
Get a professional picture. So it's telling you what you should put on your LinkedIn. Wear a simple clean outfit, blah blah blah. So it's giving you all the things you should note. So get your picture ready. Then you can also go to Canva for your banner to tell you what you need to do on your banner. Story without words. Not seeing the words, serving humanity with care. It can be there, a collage of. So it's giving you, okay, featured session images. So in the featured session images, you can upload a PDF of your CV. You can put your certificates. You can put testimonials, feedback from clients, event participation, maybe picture of you at a workshop or something. Then you can upload a profile video. It's giving you a script. Then ask you to produce a script for you. You face the camera with a smile. Hey, I'm Damlola. I'm blah 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 blah. Can help you script or even coach you through the video. Oh. So now, everyone, I am tired. Do you think I should be tired?
Yes, sir. You've done more than enough. Yes.
You should not be
Thank
tired,
you.
though. ChatGPT is never tired, and you are a party to ChatGPT.
No, I'm a woman. ChatGPT is a robot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. So I think we should be stopping here for now. I don't know if we are able to cover much. What do you think? Comments in the WhatsApp group. What do you feel about today's session? Go to the WhatsApp group and let me see your comments. Oh, 24 people. I thought some people will leave. Nobody left. Interesting. Chidima has always been quiet. The day I will catch Chidima, the day I will pin her down. Huh?
Too interesting to live. It's literally.
You said what?
I said the session is too interesting to leave.
Chidima, the day I will pin down Chidima, she just quiet, silent, watching. I mean, I'm silent and watching her. Okay. So this is just, sincerely, this is just let me say, this is just 20% of what the real work is. This isn't just demo. There's so many things there that I just skipped. I didn't, because time we go. This is a 2-hour master class for, number one, building your CV with AI is 2-hour master class. Number two, every step we have taken today is a master class on its own that is separate 2 hours. So let me show you what you just got in 2 hours. So number one, to first of all, create a resume that perfectly matches the job. Oh, so first of all, search for the job you are looking for. Is a 2-hour master class on its own. That is which job should you be applying for in the next 90 days. That task will last us 2 hours for each person. So if I'm working with you one-on-one, it will take me 2 hours. If I want to do it done for you, for example, like you just go to sleep, let me do the work. It will take me 2 hours to get you 10 to 20 lists of the jobs you should be applying for in the next 30 days. It should take me 2 hours to do that job alone. So after we have gotten the list, it will now take me 2 hours to produce a customized resume for each of those vacancy advert that I've generated. So let's assume I've generated 10 top adverts that are currently recruiting perfect for your job. I will spend 2 hours on each advert to produce a resume that will match job scan 90% for that job role, because that's the core of the everything. If your application does not match the advert 90%, forget it, they will never call you for it. If you apply 1,000 times, they will never call you. The only reason why you will get called, shortlisted rather, is when your application or resume matches the exact job advert on the ATS by 75%, 80%, 90%. So I always go for 90%. You can go 70%, 80%, yeah, ATS will shortlist you. But I always go for 90% so that you can be among the top candidate that they have. Who is this person? That's the first question they should be asking when they see your application. Who is this person? Oh, we love to get this person. So, and they're already looking forward to having you at the interview. So once you are shortlisted, that job is done. The next thing is to now use AI to prepare for the interview. That's a different 4-week program on its own. So we spent time searching the jobs. We spent time updating the resume. We now spend time building the cover letter. The cover letter is usually what we use. We need a cover letter. Some jobs don't ask you for cover letter, but we need a cover letter in case you want to adapt the cover letter to LinkedIn messages. So it's a cover letter that we're going to use to create LinkedIn messages, email messages that I want to send in case we are able to connect with someone on LinkedIn who works in that company, who is in the recruitment department or anything. So we need personalized letters for that. That one will take another 2 hours. Okay. Now, after doing that, we now need to start making the application. So you can see that to get to attract your international dream job, you need to beat the competition. You need to be on top of the candidates that are applying for it. If 70 candidates are applying for the job, you need to be on the top 5. And you can use AI to actually beat the remaining people and beat on the job fight. Many people will be using AI, right? They'll be asking ChatGPT to apply for them. They'll be putting copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Bam. Disqualified. ATS will disqualify. The present ATS, AI power, will disqualify it. So for today, I hope we've been able to cover a lot in terms of what we are trying to achieve. And I hope you believe that combining your own brain with AI can actually get you to attract. You need to attract the job first before you land it. I usually say attract your dream job. That attraction is very important for me than any other thing, right?